All right, this is the range trade. I don't know if it's going to work again, but so here's the opening range. Let's see, 930, 945, 945. So from here to here was the opening range. So it came up, you sell here, it comes down, you close it out here. Bounced just below it, came back into it, you buy again, you sell up here, came above it, came back into the range, all the way to the bottom where I shorted, spiked way down. This is what you want. So you got a good move down, you got a hammer candle or a John Wick, and then your entry is when the next green candle breaks the John Wick, either the body or the tip, usually the tip. Whoa, whoa, what the hell was that? Might be going to get spiked here. Oh, spike, 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 spike. Let's see what happens. I'm red for the day. Stop spiking, please. It's a liquidity grab. I don't want to get out on a spike. I'm down to zero. No, stop. Oh my God. I've seen $100 spike once before. Come on. Stop spiking. Come on back up. It's liquidity grab. This is a breakdown though. So I may have to get out here. What am I in on? I'm on a 5-minute candle. I need to go back to a 1-minute candle. Oh God, stop spiking. Don't flush again. If it flushes again, I'll have to get out. Wow, that was a flush and a half. It is a breakdown. If I don't have time to show you right now, but if I could show you on the 15-minute chart, it's a big gap up that wants to get filled. God, I just got into John Wick too. It should recover at least to even or close to it, at least to here, probably even. It may even break out and go to the top now. Supposedly they're just clearing stops. There's somebody big that wants to buy in. Don't flush again, please. Man, I'm glad I wasn't in on a trade on that new program on Iron Beam. I wouldn't know what to do. No. Let's see. Okay, here we go. It's picking up speed a little bit. The thing is, when you get these spikes, you want to try not to get out. Of course, if you get too big of a loss, you got to. What it is that some big market player actually wants to buy. He doesn't want he starts buying and flushing the market down. I don't know how they do it, but they do it to get liquidity because everybody's in the market with this consolidation area here. And let's see if we can get it on. The more you zoom, oh God, here it comes again. Oh God. The more you zoom in, the worse. Oh, it was just that's what I thought. So he's just going to come back to here. Let's see how if he keeps going. If he starts flushing again, I'll have to close it out. It's probably going to be a trick though. He may flush down to here, may even back to here. I'll let it go back to zero. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, he's forming bear flags. I was hoping it would shoot up to here. I could get out even. And if I get out even here, I would add back if it breaks over the top again. So what they're doing is they're clearing all the stops that were under all this support. Everybody's stop is under the support here. And they want to buy them up. And I don't know how they flush it down there, but they do it. And then everybody that's in the trade, like me, starts freaking out and selling, and that's what makes it flush even more. They don't do the complete flush. Everybody sees it going down and they start selling. Like when I started yelling, if I would have panicked and sold. Now, the other day I saw a 100-point spike, but it was so quick I couldn't have got out anyway, and it came right back. Well, it came right back 50% right away, and then it worked its way back up. Now, let's see if this plays out. I mean, it's got a ton of support to get through here. You see what I mean? All this support here, plus look at these. I don't know if it's going to get through this wall right here. I'm only down $50. there's a huge wall right here. That's why they flushed it down. Look how far it flushed down. It flushed down all the way to my next level and came right back up. I should probably close it out and then reshort it. Ah, that sucks. Yeah, the bear flag. I'm gonna have to close it out. So now I let the spike play out, and then you see, so what you're supposed to do is let it come down and see if it breaks this again, then you're supposed to get out, but I'm not gonna wait that far because it's a bear flag with a wick on top. Hopefully it's a fake out. It should come back at least to the top of this candle. Let's see if you can make it. You can see now they're sucking up all the buy orders. They flushed out, scared out all these people, and they're sucking up their buy orders. See, it's a bear flag. That's what this was before. So that's the thing about trading. You look at them on different time frames. That's why I like the 1 minute. People are like, oh, it's too much noise. You get trapped in. Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm looking at it also on the 15 minute and the 5 minute. But okay, I think I'm gonna. Oh, look at it taking off. You know what? I'm not even going to set an order there. I'm going to wait. I got a feeling it's going to break and run back to the top. Even though there's a huge wall of resistance right there, it'll probably get slammed back again a few times. If it goes through that like nothing, you know it was manipulation. That's what it is. It's market manipulation. Yeah.
Order filled.
It's probably going to come down again. But then you can't trade it. Well, you can. It's a nice bear flag, but then you know what I mean? It's a fake out. What it does, it comes down halfway here, and then it blows up through the top. That's what it's doing right now. Now it's bull flagging on a bear flag. I'm almost
Order
positive it's going
cancelled.
to break the top of this and run back up. So I lost like 50 bucks out of my profit. But that was a good demonstration there of you don't never get out on a spike. I got my 50 bucks back. I'm about to get spiked again. Somebody is screwing with this thing big time, man. He just started to spike. I probably should get out right now, but I want to see what happens.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
I had 250, but anyway, I got my 50 bucks back from the spike. Somebody is screwing with this thing big time. Right here, it flashed up in a like a millisecond. So that's kind of what they did. They flushed out everybody's stop, bought up the liquidity. When people like me thought they knew what they were doing, then they flushed it out again to scare us out. But I shorted it and got back my 50 bucks. I had 250. I should have closed it out down here. And then now it's just piddling around here in the middle. And because of the way it's flashing around every now and then, it's somebody screwing with it. I don't know.